Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Talk Skincare with Khichi Beauty. Today we're not live, however, this is a premiere, therefore you all can watch the show together. I have some business to take care of, so I wasn't able to do the show live today, so I decided to film it, and then you guys could watch it, talk about it, and just share your opinions. Today we're going to be talking about rice. Rice is a natural anti-aging ingredient that you can use on the skin. However, there are many different kinds of rice, and of late I found that some rice are more beneficial to the skin than others. However, the basic plain old white rice is a very wonderful ingredient for the skin, loaded with antioxidants, loaded with minerals and vitamins that is going to help your skin to look younger and fresher when you use it in a certain way. Now guys, of late you hear me talking about this purple rice, and it's like purple rice is now the new anti-aging rice. Now why purple rice? Purple rice have ingredient in it such as what is in blueberry, and that is what give the skin the plumpness. That is what help to tighten and firm that skin. However, black rice is right behind that purple rice. Now black rice has been used in many cosmetics products, and most people think that the black rice is more better than the white rice when it comes on to skincare. Now what do you think? Personally for me, I am thinking that you have the white, the black, and the purple, and I'm using all three. I'm using the white, I'm using the black, and I'm using the purple. I personally like to use the white rice to exfoliate my skin. I like to use the white rice to just mix with other wonderful ingredients such as aloe vera gel and coconut oil and just exfoliate my skin. Now I find myself gravitating towards the purple rice when I'm trying to make a serum. So what I do, I boil the purple rice, and I have a few recipes using the purple rice. So I boil the purple rice, not soggy, just lightly, boil that purple rice, and then I would blend it and add a lot of wonderful anti-aging oils to it. When it comes on to the black rice, I like to use the black rice to make my facial toner. So I soaked that rice in some green tea overnight, and then I strain it, add some rose water and a little bit of vegetable glycerine, shake that baby up, and there I have my wonderful facial toner. So you can use the rice in several different ways. However guys, I am here to tell you that give the rice a try, because whichever one you use is gonna work wonders on your skin. Now for years and years and years, from Asian ear, especially in the Asian community, they have been using rice on their skin. They use rice water on the skin to look years younger. And to make rice water is pretty easy. You just soak that rice in some water, strain the water off, and use that water to wash your face. It is also known that that very same water is great for hair care. You can use the rice water to wash your hair, and it's gonna grow your hair like crazy. I personally have given the rice water a go in my hair, but I mix the rice water with some castor oil, and some aloe vera gel, and then I just use it on my hair, cover my hair, and let it sit on my hair for about an hour or so, and then I rinse that off. Amazing silk, amazing glow, and soft and really healthy, shiny, glossy looking hair. So don't shy away from this wonderful rice. Now, if you have not tried rice before, I would suggest that you start with some rice water. And there are many things that you can do with the rice water in terms of facial care. You can take a sheet mask. You can just soak that sheet mask up in that rice water, place it over your face, and go with that for about 30 minutes, and then you rinse off. Now you can also blend that rice, add some olive oil to that rice and use it to exfoliate the skin. Now, another wonderful thing you can do with that rice, you can actually cook that rice, and then you add some yogurt to that rice. You mix those two together. You can choose to add oils to it also and use that as a facial mask on the skin. But just use up the rice. Give the rice a try. And what I would like to tell you to do is to use the rice on your skin for, let's say, 2 to 3 weeks and then see what happens. A lot of people swear by the rice, and if you look around on the internet, you're gonna notice a lot of people like, oh, a 65-year-old woman look 20 because they use rice water. Check the Asian out. They have using rice water give you glass skin. Using rice water give you radiant, glowing skin. So you have a lot of people talking about rice, but the new trend in rice, guys, is the purple rice. And most people just complained to me recently that they don't know where to get the purple rice, but you can get the purple rice to buy on Amazon. And I know some people, depending on the country that they live in, do not have access, but if you have access to the purple rice, give it a go. I have been using it, and I actually find that it have this thing to it that whenever I use it, I get this wonderful glow to my skin. I'm gonna share my purple rice toner with you sometime in the week, guys, and if you can try it, just give it a try. Guess what I'm coming up with very soon? I'm mixing that purple rice water with some star anise, so just stay tuned for that video. Rice, 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 rice. Research it for yourself when you're done, and you're gonna come across a lot of amazing talk about rice. But as I started the video out talking about using rice on the skin as an anti-aging ingredient, we are talking about white rice, we're talking about black rice, and we're talking about purple rice. Now, once I normally use just the white rice, and a few times I use the black rice, and I used to be like, you know, just use any rice you have, there all the same. But the more I educate myself on this entire rice community, I now know that some have more benefits than others, and I really want to share that with you today. I know I'm all over the place because I'm just so excited to talk about rice for the skin. So guys, just to summarize everything, just use your rice, whether it be white rice, black rice, or purple rice. Now, if I make a remedy and I use, let's say, black rice, and you don't have black rice, don't be afraid to go ahead and just use your white rice. Now guys, when it comes on to certain kinds of rice like jasmine rice, and some people would be like, is jasmine rice good for your skin? What you need to know is the jasmine rice was enhanced with the jasmine flavor, so you don't really need to use that. You don't need to use any form of flavor rice on your skin. If you're gonna use rice, just use the basic rice, plain old, plain old, plain old, no flavor, black, white, or purple. And another thing I really want to try is just to mix all these 3 different rice together and just, you know, just put some aloe vera gel and some vegetable glycerine and just use it on my skin for a week to see the result. Now, if you have been using rice out there, guys, comment, and let me know. If you have tried any of my rice serum, just comment below and let me know. Now, if you are aware of the purple rice, also comment and let me know if you have tried it. And for black rice, many of you might be familiar with black rice. Many of you have seen black rice serum, black rice facial cream, black rice anti-aging cream. So that has been around, but very soon you're gonna start seeing purple rice serum, purple rice anti-aging cream, because the purple rice have this ingredient in it that get rid of wrinkles, fine lines. The regular rice do the same thing, but purple rice tend to be stronger and more, and you get faster results. So guys, there I just give you a little basic all over the place, but you know, I know you guys get it. I'm like at a loss because I can't, you know, talk to you guys. I can't get the feedback right now, but we're gonna watch this together and we're just gonna talk about it. And next week I will be back live with another in our series, Let's Talk Skincare with Khichi Beauty. I love you guys. Thank you for your continuous support. Keep watching. comment, thumbs the video up if you like it. Let's get this video to at least 100 thumbs up so that I know I can continue doing the series Let's Talk Skincare with Khichi Beauty. If you have missed the lineup of videos this week, go and watch them. I also want you to tune in on Sunday 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where we have another series, and that is Sunday Chit Chat with Khichi Beauty. And that series, I just take your questions and we just talk about the topic. And this particular one, we tend to talk about what is happening in the skincare world. Love you guys. Have a wonderful weekend. Mwah. Take care of you. Go and try some rice on your skin and come back next week and comment. Or if you want us to talk about more rice live next week, leave your comment.